dot label 1 minus number 4 dot program dot applies Python comments and dot if when single minus line comment that this is a single minus line comment point. It explain one lines of code names equals double quote Chris double quote that you can also write comments beside code. Print open parenthesis double quote hello comma and double quote comma name close parenthesis that print the name that b with multi minus line comment double quote this is a multi minus line comment point. It can explain multiple lines of code when Python ignores everything inside this triple quotes point double quote age equal 18 print open parenthesis double quote age colon double quotes comma age and close parenthesis.